Next lesson, lesson 3.3, is still about mathematics of buying and selling, but we will talk about profit from loss. So when we say profit, we are gaining an amount, a certain amount from what we are selling, and then from yung loss naman is from the term itself na loss na may nawawala sa perang pinanggastos natin. Kumbaga mas walang bumabalik na pera doon sa nagastos natin, doon sa product na binibenta natin. So, under profit from loss, we have two formulas, and that is profit is equal to net sales minus cost. And then, loss is equivalent to cost minus the net sales. Or, ibig sabihin lang nito, we are getting a profit if mas mataas yung net sales natin compared sa cost. Pero we are experiencing, or the entrepreneur is experiencing a loss if mas mataas yung cost niya kesa sa net sales. So, ganun lang mag-identify ng problems if under ba siya ng profit or under siya ng loss. Again, pagka mas mataas yung net sales kesa sa cost, then that is profit. Pagka mas mataas yung cost kesa sa net sales, then that is loss. So, I will present problems under profit and loss, and we're going to identify kung ano ba yung na-experience no entrepreneur for that given problem. Is it a profit or is it a loss? Problem number 1. Rodrigo is engaged in a buy and sell business of perfumes. He bought 10 boxes of perfumes. Each box costs 12,000 pesos and contains a dozen of perfume bottles. He is planning to sell one perfume bottle at 1,500 pesos. What is his expected profit on the 10 boxes of perfumes? So, ganun ulit ang process natin, given, find, solution. Hindi na po iyon mababago. So, let's identify the given values. We have 12,000 and we also have 1,500. Ngayon, dahil profit ang hinahanap, obviously, ayun natin tanong na, what is his expected profit on the 10 boxes of perfume? So, ibig sabihin, we're looking for the profit. Ngayon, aalamin natin kung alin dyan yung net sales, alin dyan yung cost. So, going back to the problem, ang sabi doon, each box costs 12,000 pesos. So, ito yung cost per box. Next, ano naman yung 1,500? He is planning to sell one perfume bottle at 1,500 pesos. So, ibig sabihin, 1,500 is the net sale per bottle. So, if you will notice, yung cost at saka yung net sale ay hindi pareho ng measurement. So, ang gagawin natin is kailangan magpareho sila. So, it's either kunin nyo yung net sale per box or yung cost naman gawin yung per bottle. So, either way, we will still come up with the same value. Kasi naman, ang hinahanap niya is what is his expected profit on the 10 boxes of perfume. So, either way, makakakuha tayo ng profit alin man ang gawin ninyo. So, let's say, ang gagawin natin is yung per box ko na cost, gagawin ko ng per bottle. So, we have to know how many bottles are there in a box. So, balik tayo dun sa problem. Asan yun? Hanapin natin. It contains a dozen of perfume bottles. So, meaning to say, sa isang box, we have a dozen. Ilan ba pag sinabi natin dozen? So, obviously, that's 12. So, we have to divide 12,000 by 12 para makuha natin yung cost per bottle. Then, next, let's now have the solution. Sa solution na lang natin siya ilagay. Pero if you want, you can write it down on the given. Wala lang talaga akong space, kaya sa solution na lang natin siya ilagay. So, cost per bottle is equivalent to 12,000 divided by the number of bottles in each box, and that is 12. Sige, huwag kayong mahiya. If you want to use calculator, you may. Pero if not, we know naman na cost is 1,000 pesos. Next, ang net sales natin per bottle naman, alam natin kanina na 1,500. So, getting the profit per bottle, we will have net sale 1,500 minus the cost. So, ito yung sinasabi natin kanina na dahil mas mataas yung net sale mo kesa sa cost mo, ibig sabihin, you have or you're experiencing, the entrepreneur is experiencing a profit. Kasi nga, mas mataas yung net sale kesa sa cost. So, subtracting this two, sige, huwag kayong mahiya, gamitin nyo ang inyong calculator. The answer is 500. Pero, ang question is, what is his expected profit on the 10 boxes of perfume? So, pwedeng ang gawin, this profit, 500, profit for 10 boxes is 500, then ilan bang bottles meron sa 10 boxes? So, 'di ba? Sa isang box merong 12 na bottles. Eh dahil meron tayong 10 box, so 10 times 12, that is 120. So, 500 times 120, ang profit natin is, syempre, wag na natin pahirapan yung sarili natin. Pero kung gusto nyo mag-calculator, pwede din naman. So, ang magiging profit natin is 60,000 pesos. Again, marami din itong way on how are you going to solve. Pero, either way, we will still come up with the profit for 10 boxes as 60,000 pesos. So, okay lang sa akin. Hindi ko kayo i-restrict with the solution. Bahala kayo as long as it is mathematically correct and mathematically acceptable.